Setting up WordPress SEO plugin, which is Yoast SEO, is damn easy. It's a step-by-step procedure in 12 different steps. Hi, this is Digital Pratik, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete WordPress SEO setup process with Yoast SEO. Alright, so we are right over here on the screencast, and first and the foremost thing which we will be doing is install the plugin and activate the plugin, which is known as Yoast SEO. So we jump into plugins and we click on add new, and over here we will be searching for Yoast SEO, and this is the one which we need to install. So I'm going to click on install now. It will start installing, and in a few seconds it will ask you to activate the plugin. So just remember, always a plugin needs to be installed and then needs to be activated. Unless and until you don't do these two things, your plugin won't work for your WordPress website. Alright, so this is one of the all-in-one. This is like the top true all-in-one Yoast SEO plugin, right? And it's already been downloaded for 1+ million active installs. It's basically installed 1 million times or more. All right, and it is last updated 3 days ago. It is a frequently updated plugin, and as it says, it's compatible with your version of WordPress. So now it says activate your plugin, so I'm going to activate. And in a few seconds it will just redirect to a new window where it will say your plugin is successfully activated or installed and something like that. A couple of plugins do have their own customized page once it has been successfully activated. So we might see something like that inside our WordPress dashboard, but nope, we don't see anything like that. It simply says plugin activated, and we are redirected to the installed plugins page over here. So if you scroll down, Yoast SEO is right over here. Alright, Yoast SEO is right over here. Now we have this settings over here for Yoast SEO. We also have this Y symbol for SEO right over here. So what we're gonna do is either you click on Yoast over here or settings, it's one and the same. So let's go into settings for Yoast SEO over here. And when we click on dashboard, what we see is problems is equal to 0. Good job, we could not detect no serious SEO problems. Notifications 0. Save changes, go premium. Nope, we don't want any premium, so we just close the tick mark. And now we go into general settings. In general settings, what we have is configuration wizard. So let's say, and this is very important, guys, for people who are newbies, who have no idea about Yoast SEO, wherein it helps in on-page SEO. It doesn't help. Obviously, off-page SEO is divided into two things: on-page and off-page SEO. So this will take care of all your on-page SEO for your post pages, for your complete website, everything. So over here, it says configure Yoast SEO step by step. So let's click on open the configuration wizard. And once we click on that, let's see which window opens up. They keep on updating their plugin. So earlier they used to have something in their notification center where we saw notification is equal to 0. Over there they used to have some link where it said click here to have the step-by-step procedure or step-by-step plan for Yoast SEO configuration in 10 steps. Earlier it was 10 steps. Now we can see there are 12 different steps. Obviously the 12th or the last step would be success message. That's it. So you can always deduct one step out of that. So the first says welcome. Please choose the Yoast SEO configuration of your liking. Configure Yoast SEO in a few steps, or let us set up Yoast SEO for you. So this is obviously a paid service. Let's click on this configuration service. If we click on that, it will redirect us to yoast.com, where they might charge you for something, I guess. Yep, there you go. I use Yoast SEO free and want premium. That is $149 per like one-time fee. This is $149 and this is $80. So I definitely won't be going because I'm recording this video. So I'm definitely gonna go with the configuration which is manual. So let's say configure Yoast SEO over here in a couple of steps. So did you get an idea how to make money? How to make money online by offering a service like we will configure your Yoast SEO, and you can charge somewhere around $100. They were charging 149. You can charge somewhere around $99. All right, so that's one one idea of making money online. So this video might help you generate some revenue as well if you sincerely do that, and if you obviously learn, apply, and share. So environment, please specify environment in which this site digitalmarketingforfree.com is running. So it gives me three options. One is production, where it says this is a live site with real traffic. Staging, wherein it says copy of a live site used for testing purpose only. And the third one is development. Now for me, it's production because my site is live already. And if you have not seen my website, by the way, this is the website digitalmarketingforfree.com. So by any chance, if you don't know me, you haven't been anytime onto my blog or my website, this is the one where I do my blogging related to digital marketing. So let's close this pop-up screen filler, and here I blog. All right, so this is like completely for free. You can go over here to check out free digital marketing guide. You can start a blog step-by-step process, which is updated as of July 2017. And right now, as I'm recording this video, this is August 2017. So I keep on updating it like with all the latest updates. So let's go back to Yoast SEO where it says production. Let's click on next. The third step is site type. So what kind of site is blah, blah, blah. Whether it's a blog, web shop, this is a funny name, web shop. It's basically defining e-commerce. All right, if your website is e-commerce website, it's a web shop basically. They are calling it web shop. Anyways, news site, small business site, other corporate site, other personal site. So I'll say blog. I'll say next. Company or person, it's for me, individual. The name of the person and myself, digital Pratik. Let's click on next. Social profiles, that's the fifth step. So I'll be adding all my social profiles over here. Now this is pre-populated because I had already done it before, but you can always take your URL of, let's say, Facebook. So you can go to your page, which might be something like this. So go to your page and then take that URL, copy that and paste it over here. All right, so that is what I've done. Then Twitter username, if you are not aware about that, you can go to twitter.com and you can simply go to your profile. If you are not aware about that link, you can simply go to twitter.com, log into your account and click on profile or edit profile when it is like this is digital Pratik. So whatever it is your user ID, or you can say Twitter username. So digital Pratik, then Instagram URL. Now for me, Instagram URL, I don't want this one. I have a couple of accounts on Instagram, so I don't want this one. I want iPhonepreneur. All right, now why iPhonepreneur? Because let's say Instagram.com iPhonepreneur. This is the account wherein I post motivational and like things of digital marketing. Also, I have another account on fitness, which is Fit Digital Pratik on Instagram. So that is a different segment. So that's the reason why I inserted iPhonepreneur over here. LinkedIn URL. Let's grab the LinkedIn URL. If I go to linkedin.com, I guess I would be logged in. Yes, I am. Let's click on the name and here you go. This is the URL. Let's go back to Yoast. Let's paste it. MySpace, I don't use MySpace. Pinterest, I don't use I do use it, but I don't want to keep it over here. YouTube URL, yes, I do. Let's grab the YouTube URL. If I go to YouTube, my channel, there you go. This is my YouTube URL. And Google Plus URL, I have already set it up over here. Still, I'll like to verify my URL, which is I would say Google Plus. I will search for Google Plus. Let's click on Google Plus. and let's click on profile. All right, so that's the URL. Let's paste it and bingo. Let's click on next. All right. Next we have sixth step is post type visibility, where it says the post type post should be visible. Yes, pages visible, post type media should be. I don't want that to be visible, so let's keep it hidden because WordPress automatically generates an URL for each media item in the library. So if you upload an image inside your post or page or somewhere else on your website, it actually creates a custom URL, a separate page on your website where there is simply that image, nothing else except that image. So you don't want to index or crawl that particular page inside Google. All right, doesn't make any difference, so don't do that. I would recommend keep it hidden. The next is post type ClickFunnels should be visible. Now ClickFunnels, I use ClickFunnels for my landing pages, so that's the reason why ClickFunnels is probably you might not see. So anything which is there after this message most probably will depend on what kind of plugins you have, what kind of theme do you have. So if you have something related to that, you would see some additional options which I am able to see. So this might not be the case with you. You might end up over here only, your page won't show up anything else. So for me, ClickFunnels, yes. Affiliate links visible, provide light boxes visible. I would keep it all visible. Next, I will say next. Multiple authors, no, I don't have it, so let's click on next. And Google Search Console, select the profile. So my profile has already been selected, but still I would like to select the www version, so I'll do that right now. So I have that profile. Now if you don't know how to do that, or if you're not able to see your profile over here, probably you haven't set up your Google Search Console account, so you'll have to do that. And for that I have a separate playlist on my YouTube channel, which is Google Search Console playlist, where everything is mentioned step by step. There is a four-part video series step by step of how to verify your website, how to claim Google ownership for your website, how to have all these kind of things. So right, so that is where this thing would be. So I'm not including that part on this particular video. So I'll re-authenticate with Google. Once I click on that, all right, it will say get Google authorization code. So I'll click on that. So this is the code which I was talking about. Let's copy that. Let's close this tab and let's paste it over here. Click on authenticate. And it will ask you to choose a profile. And next step is title settings. So title settings is something like digital marketing for free, and what is the title separator which you want. So I normally do this one. So this is like if you have a post which is like having a text name, how to set up a Yoast SEO. All right, so the title of the post would be something like this: how to set up Yoast. And then there would be a separator and your blog name or your website name, right? So there would be a separator. So what we are setting up over here on this step is this particular symbol or character. So you can have it anything, doesn't make any difference. I normally go with this separator or this pipeline or the character which is something like this. All right, see, Yoast is using this settings. All right, this particular thing. This particular Google Plus profile is using a separator which is simply a dash, right? So that is what we are setting up over here on this step. So I'll click on next. Oops, I made a mistake. Let's go back to previous one. So we have to actually delete this and let's click on next. I don't want to stay up to date with the newsletter. That's fine. Let's click on next. So that's optional, by the way. And now these are the additional steps which they have. You might like outrank the competition with Yoast SEO Premium. Nope. Learn how to write copy that ranks. Nope. Get the most out of Yoast SEO with Yoast SEO plugin training. So this might be something which I might be interested. Let's click on this and open up in a new tab. Let's see what it is. It might be a step-by-step procedure. Oh, it's a paid course. It's a paid course of $99, right? Where they might be teaching all these things. So let's skip that. Let's click on next, and if that is the final step, it would say success. Bingo. Let's close this, and we would be redirected to our dashboard of WordPress. So now it says, good job, we could not detect, so no, we could not, it says, good job, we could detect no serious SEO problems. That's a tricky sentence. All right, notifications is 0, no new notifications, save changes, it's fine. All right, so those are the basic setup steps for Yoast SEO plugin, and you can find another video on my YouTube channel where I would be going through a step-by-step procedure of how to do SEO for a post. So I'll see you in some another video. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and as always, guys, stay awesome and hit that like button, thumbs up, and subscribe.